Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Port Daniel is a charming town, located in the Gaspé region of Quebec. Nestled along the southern coast of the Gaspé Peninsula, Port Daniel is known for its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant community. The town was initially settled by immigrants from Scotland, Ireland, England, and other parts of Europe. These early settlers were primarily farmers, fishermen, and lumberjacks. The name Port Daniel honors Charles Daniel, a French merchant who was known for his maritime travels. The town has always had strong ties to the fishing industry, with American entrepreneurs opening a lobster cannery in 1847, marking a key development in the local economy. Today, it remains a hub for fishing, tourism, and mining, which have been crucial to its growth. One of the best ways to experience the natural beauty of Port Daniel is through its wildlife reserves. The Reserve Faunique de Port Daniel is a must-see for nature lovers, offering opportunities for wildlife observation, hiking, and fishing. The town is also surrounded by beautiful beaches and forests, perfect for outdoor activities like hiking and cycling. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or simply exploring a peaceful coastal town, Port Daniel offers something for everyone.
Bye.